Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this session, we are going to learn about one of the most important topic in pharmaceutical formulation science, that is tablet formulation. Have you ever wondered how a simple tablet is designed to deliver the correct dose, remain stable throughout its shelf life, and release the drug effectively inside the body? So the answer lies in the tablet formulation. Here we are going to discuss the tablet formulation. In this video, we will cover all the topics of tablet formulation from basics of APIs and excipients, such as different classes of excipients like diluents, disintegrants, etc. And whether you are a B.Pharm or M.Pharm student, this will be very helpful for you in clearing the concepts of exams, and also it will be helpful for GPAT, NIPER examinations, etc. And so stay with me until the end and let's begin our journey with the tablet formulation. First, tablet. What is the tablet? Tablet is nothing but a solid oral dosage form made by the active pharmaceutical ingredient and also excipients. Those are inactive ingredients which help the tablet to stay stable until the shelf life of it. So, see. Introduction to tablet formulation. Tablet formulation is the scientific process of designing a tablet stable, effective, safe, and patient friendly dosage form. Here, the tablet made should be stable throughout its shelf life. Means until its expiry date, it should be stable, and also it should be effective. Whatever the intended action we are using the tablet, it should fulfill the purpose of that action, and also it should be patient friendly. Patient should consume it. So, it involves converting the active pharmaceutical ingredient into a usable solid oral dosage form suitable for the therapeutic use. Along with the API, we also use some other excipients to make the tablet stable and also usable form. So, why tablet formulation is important? It is for dose accuracy, means it should contain every tablet should contain uniform amount of the tablet, whatever the strength or dosage form we have defined, that should be present in the tablet. And also stability, chemical, physical and microbiological stability should be maintained throughout its expiration dating period. And also bioavailability, it should be enter into the body and release the drug into the blood circulation so that it will produce its intended effect. And also patient complaints, patient should get it easily and it should be easy to swallow, etc. It should be ease of administration, palatability, and also convenience to patients. Regulatory acceptability, it should be comply with USP monograph and also FDA and also ICH guidelines. Along with them, our tablet formulation should maintain CGMP standards. Good manufacturing practices should be followed. Next, objectives of tablet formulation. See here, first one is accurate dosing. As I said, each tablet should contain uniform amount of the API so that it should fulfill the purpose of its dosage strength. And also good mechanical strength. While manufacturing, a tablet should undergo some compression. So whenever it is going compression, yes, a large amount of force will be from falling on the tablet. So it should withstand that force. It should withstand the manufacturing, handling, packaging, transportation, and storage, and also rapid and predictable drug release. It should ensure consistent disintegration and dissolution for reliable absorption and therapeutic effect. Disintegration and dissolution of the tablet is also most important, as they are the mm, main process for releasing a drug into the body. Chemical and physical stability, it should maintain drug potency, appearance, integrity throughout its shelf life under various storage conditions. Patient acceptability, it should be suitable size, shape, and taste, and also it should be easy for swallowing to the patients. Next, scalability and for industrial production, and it should allow successful transition from laboratory formulation to large scale commercial manufacturing. Means whenever pilot batches are prepared, then small amounts of tablets will be prepared, and that should be suitable for providing for making them in the large quantities for commercial. Next, see here basic components of tablets. We are having two components. One is active pharmaceutical ingredient. This is a active ingredient, and also the other one is excipients, which are inactive ingredients. Active pharmaceutical ingredient. It is the biologically active component responsible for the therapeutic effect of the tablet, and it determines the dose strength, pharmacological action, and also clinical response. API. API is the main ingredient of the tablet because it is only responsible for the therapeutic effect. Whatever the disease to cure we are using, that should be fulfilled. So API is the main ingredient, and it should it only determines the dose strength, 5 mg, 10 mg, all those will be from API. And also it should fulfill the purpose of pharmacological action along with the clinical response. Next, excipients, inactive ingredients, pharmaceutically acceptable tablets added to support formulation, processing, stability, and performance of the tablet. They help in manufacturing, drug release, protection, appearance, and also patient acceptability. See here, excipients are used for diluents. Means whenever we are using a API in 5 mg or 10 mg, that 5 mg or 10 mg will be very small quantity. Means they are not able to make the tablet. In such cases, we will use diluents. That is for filling purpose. Means to get the weight of the tablet. To get the shape of the tablet, we use excipients, and also along with them we use disintegrants, coating ingredients, etc. So we will discuss them in brief. Difference between API and excipient. API, activity, therapeutically active API, but excipients are therapeutically inactive. Function of API is produces pharmacological action. Excipients, they don't produce any action. They are just supporting the formulation to maintain the tablet shape and weight, etc. Next, API quantity should be smaller, usually smaller. Excipient quantity will be large quantity. And examples of API are paracetamol, metformin, etc. And examples of excipients are lactose, microcrystalline cellulose, PVP, polyvinyl pyrrolate. Next, API in tablet formulation. Functions of API. See here, it produces therapeutic effect and it also treats or prevents disease, determines potency and dosage, influences efficacy and safety. Examples of API, see here, drug product and their API. Crocin tablet, it will be containing paracetamol API. Dolo 650, it also contains paracetamol as an API. Metformin tablets will contain metformin hydrochloride as an API. Next, role of excipient. See here, excipients are helpful in tablet formulation, drug release, enhanced stability, and also patient acceptability, manufacturing efficiency. Next, classification of tablet excipients. See here, major class of tablet excipients are diluents or fillers. These are used to maintain the weight of the tablet. And also binders, disintegrants, super disintegrants, lubricants, glidants, antiadherents, adsorbents, buffers, coating agents, dissolution enhancers, dissolution retardants, miscellaneous excipients. Each class will contribute uniquely to the formulation and overall performance of the tablet. See here, each of these excipients are having unique properties. For example, if you take diluent, it will be useful for maintaining the weight of the tablet. Filler, binders, it will keep the tablet to stick together, to stick all the particles together. If we come to disintegrant, it will be useful for releasing of the drug product. Lubricants to maintain the flow properties, and also coating agents to maintain the color of the tablet. So each of the excipient will be having its own property. Next, we will discuss in detail about all the excipients. See here, first one is diluents. Diluents are nothing but fillers. These are diluents or pharmaceutical excipients added to increase the bulk or volume of the tablet when the quantity of active drug is insufficient to produce a tablet or particle size. See here. Generally, whenever we are taking preparing a tablet, so the API quantity is very small, so that it can't make a tablet. So, in such cases, diluents are used to make the volume or bulk of the tablet. For example, see here. A drug dose of 5 mg would produce an extremely small tablet. We can't swallow it or we can't even handle it. So, in such cases, what we do? Therefore, we use diluents to increase the tablet size and also it will be easy for handling. Functions of the diluents: increases the bulk, tablet bulk, improve compressibility, improve powder flow, and also facilitate manufacturing, ensure content uniformity. Ideal characteristics of diluents: it should be non-toxic, it should not cause any toxic effects, and it should be chemically inert. It should not react with other excipients, so it will be dangerous. And also, it should be economically feasible, good flow properties, good compressibility, compatible with APIs. Types of diluents: we are having two types of diluents: soluble diluents and insoluble diluents. Soluble diluents are that are readily dissolved in the water and they improve the tablet dissolution. Examples are lactose, sucrose, mannitol, sorbitol. All these, whatever the tablets we are using, they all contain these types of diluents. And types of in second type of diluent is insoluble diluents. They do not dissolve in water but provide excellent compressibility and tablet hardness. For example, microcrystalline cellulose, this is the major ingredient used in almost all tablets. Starch, calcium phosphate. See here, microcrystalline cellulose. It is one of the most widely used direct compression excipients. In all direct compression excipients, this microcrystalline cellulose will be used. Whatever the tablets, drug products we are doing, all those mostly contain microcrystalline cellulose. And properties are excellent compressibility, excellent binding property, chemically inert, good flow characters. Because of its properties, it is having most wide use. And advantages of MCC are: functions as both a diluent and also binder. It performs both functions and also produces hard tablets, improves content uniformity, suitable for direct compression. Commercial grades of MCC are Avicel pH 101. These are the grades used. Avicel pH 102. MCC is often referred to as gold standard. Yeah, direct compression excipient. Next, co-processed excipients. Sometimes excipients are not simply used; they will be co-processed. This is because to improve the functionality. See here, co-processing is the process of combining two or more excipients through specialized manufacturing techniques to obtain the superior functionality compared with the simple physical mixtures. See here, advantages of this co-processed excipients are improved flowability and improved compressibility, reduced segregation, better tablet uniformity, and faster production. Examples for this co-processed excipient are Ludipress. It will contain lactose monohydrate, polyvinyl pyrrolidine (PVP), and also crosspovidone. Next, second category of excipient is binder. Binders are used to impart the cohesiveness to powders or granules. Means whatever we are mixing, API, diluent, etc., all this should stick together, no, to form a tablet. For that purpose we are using binders. See here, they help hold powder particles together. Means it will keep all the particles together and produce tablets with adequate mechanical strength. Functions of these binders are promote granule formation, improve tablet hardness, and also reduce friability, prevent tablet breakage. Mechanism of binders are: powder particles, it will make granules and compressed tablet. Without binders, tablets may crumble or break. Means it will be divided into small pieces and it will be broken down. For that reason only we are using tablet binders. Classification of binders: we are having two types of binders: natural binders and synthetic and semi-synthetic binders. Natural binders are nothing but they occur from they are obtained from natural resources. Examples of natural binders: acacia, tragacan, gelatin, starch paste, etc. And semi-synthetic and synthetic binders are manufactured chemically. Examples of this are polyvinyl pyrrolidine, hydroxy propyl methyl cellulose (HPMC), methyl cellulose MC, sodium carbomethyl cellulose, carboxymethyl cellulose. Advantages include better reproducibility and controlled quality. Next, disintegrants. These are the main ingredients of the tablet. Whenever the drug release is low, in such cases we will use disintegrants. See here, disintegrants are substances used to tablets to promote their breakup into smaller particles after administration. See here, disintegrants are the substances added to tablets to promote the breakup. Means they can easily broken down into particles so that after administration, then the drug will be released into the body so that therapeutical effect will be fulfilled. So importance of this disintegrants are tablet must disintegrate before the drug release and can, absorbed. Functions of the disintegrants are facilitate tablet breakup, enhance dissolution, improve bioavailability, ensure rapid onset of action. Without disintegrants, tablets may remain intact and fail to release the drug effectively. Next, dissolution enhances and retardants. Dissolution enhances which increase the dissolution, drug dissolution rate. Examples of this are povidone, fructose, surfactants, etc. And dissolution retardants slow the release of the drug, waxes, stearic acid, glyceryl bentonate. Next, these excipients are used in controlled release and modified release. Whenever the drug release is very fast, in such cases we will use dissolution retardants. And whenever drug release is very slow, like for delayed release tablets, we use dissolution enhancers. See here, mechanism of action of tablet disintegration. Tablet disintegration will occur through several mechanisms. First one is swelling. Tablets will absorb water. These disintegrants will absorb water and they will swell so that it will cause the tablet rupture. So then capillary action. Water enters into the tablet pores and weakens the particle bonds. Then deformation recovery. Particles expand to original shape upon contact with water. Particle repulsion, particles repel each other, leading to tablet breakup. Enzymatic action, enzymes degrade binding materials within the tablet. Next, super disintegrants. Super disintegrants are highly efficient disintegrating agents that facilitate rapid tablet breakup. Means whenever the action should be very fast, means for immediate release tablets. Hmm, we should use super disintegrant whenever we are administering the it should be disintegrate and it should produce the action. In such cases we will use see here advantages of super disintegrant: faster disintegration, faster dissolution, improved bioavailability, lower concentration required. And examples of this super disintegrants are cross-povidone, which works primarily by capillary action. Cross-cormellose sodium works by swelling mechanism. Sodium starch glycolate provides rapid swelling and water uptake. Next, dissolution enhancers and retardants we have discussed previous. Hmm. Dissolution enhancers are for increasing drug dissolution rate. Examples povidone, fructose, surfactants. And dissolution retardants are slow the release of drug, waxes, stearic acid, glyceryl benzoate. I think this is the spelling mistake. Just ignore it. These excipients are used in the controlled release and modified release tablets. Next, lubricants. Lubricants are the substances used to tablet formulation to reduce friction between tablet surfaces and die walls during compression and ejection. Functions of the lubricants are reduce die-wall friction and also facilitate tablet ejection, prevent sticking, reduce machine wear. Importance of these lubricants are lubricants improve the manufacturing efficiency and prevent tablet defects. See here, mainly lubricants are used whenever we are compressing the tablet, then it may stick to the walls of that compressor. So in such cases, to easy flow of the tablet on that means to reduce the friction, it should not stick to the compressing walls and it should easily come to the handle. In such for that purpose only we are using lubricants. Examples of lubricants are magnesium stearate and also talc. Types of lubricants we are having water soluble lubricants and water insoluble lubricants. Water soluble examples boric acid, sodium benzoate, sodium oleate, sodium lauryl sulfate. And water insoluble lubricants are magnesium stearate, calcium stearate, stearic acid. Most common lubricant is magnesium stearate is the widely used Magnesium stearate, microcrystalline cellulose. These two are common in every tablet. Whatever we do work in our companies, we see different kinds of products. Now, in all those products, the common excipients are magnesium stearate, microcrystalline cellulose. Next, glidants. Glidants, they will improve the flow property. See here, glidants improve the flow property of powders and granules. Functions of glidants are they reduce interparticle friction and also improve powder movement, ensure uniform dye filling, and also improve the tablet weight and uniformity. See here, these glidants are used while when we are compressing, they may stick to the compressor, no tablets may. So to reduce that and also to reduce the interparticle friction. Because of that, also tablet may burst. In such cases, also we use glidants. Next, anti-adherents. Anti-adherents prevent powder particles from sticking to punches and dye surfaces during tablet compression. These anti-adherents are used for preventing sticking and picking defects. Here, see here, functions of anti-adherents: reduce sticking, reduce picking, improve tablet appearance, and increase production efficiency. Examples of these anti-adherents are talc, cornstarch, colloidal silica, Dilution. Next, adsorbents. Adsorbents are materials capable of retaining large quantities of liquids or oils on their surfaces. These also improve flow ability and also convert liquids into free flowing powders and also improve the tablet manufacture. Examples of this are magnesium carbonate, silicon dioxide, calcium phosphate. Adsorbents are especially useful when formulations contain the liquid ingredients. Whenever we are having liquid ingredients, these adsorbents will be very useful. So that tablet will be formed. Otherwise, it may form like a watery substance. Next, buffers. Generally, we know why we use buffers. Buffers are used for maintaining pH. So whenever the tablet pH should be within compatible with human body. So whenever the tablet is a slightly acidic or some alkaline, in such cases we use buffers to maintain the pH neutral. So see here, buffers are the substances added to maintain the desired pH of the pharmaceutical formulation. These improve stability and also prevent drug degradation and also enhance dissolution, maintain the product quality. Examples of these buffers are sodium bicarbonate, sodium citrate, calcium carbonate. Coating agents. Coating agents are materials applied to tablet surfaces to improve the appearance and functionality. See here. In some cases, tablets to maintain the appearance means to improve the appearance of the tablet, coating agents will be used. Means we will be use coating. Coating also we will do it different mechanism. In detail, we will discuss in the next video about coating agents and coating types, coating mechanisms also. Here in brief, we will discuss. See here. Objectives: mask unpleasant taste and also improve appearance, protect from moisture, increase stability, facilitate swallowing. Not all tablets will be coated, just whatever the tablets which don't look much better. In such cases only we will use coating agents. Common examples of these coating materials are opacity, shellac, gelatin, cellulose derivatives, HPVMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Next, colorants. Sometimes colorants are also used, flavors also used. Colorants are pharmaceutical excipients added to the tablet formulation to impart color so that product appearance will be improved and also facilitate the product identification and enhance the patient acceptance. Functions of these colorants are improve aesthetic appearance of tablets, differentiate products and strengths, aid product identification and also increase patient compliance, improve brand recognition. Types of colorants: natural colorants are chlorophyll, curcumin, annatto, caramel, etc. And synthetic colorants are tartrazine, sunset yellow, FCF, and also brilliant blue, FCF, ethy- erythrocin. Ideal properties of colorants are non-toxic and safe, stable to light, heat, and moisture, and compatible with APIs and excipients, uniform color distribution, approved by regulatory authorities. Recently, FD&C red color is disapproved, rejected by the FDA. So whatever the tablets using the FD&C red color, they should be avoided. And examples of these tablets are titanium dioxide white opacifier, iron oxide red, yellow, black, FD&C approved, food, drugs and cosmetics approved colors. Preservatives. Preservatives are the pharmaceutical excipients added to tablet formulation to prevent any microbial growth and maintain the product stability, safety, and shelf life. So, functions of these preservatives are prevent the growth of bacteria, fungi, and yeast, enhance the product stability, extend shelf life, protect moisture sensitive formulations, maintain the product quality during the storage. See the some of the examples of preservatives and their use I have written here. Methyl paraben, antifungal and antibacterial. Propyl paraben, antifungal agent. And sodium benzoate, antimicrobial preservative. Benzoic acid prevents microbial growth. Potassium sorbate, effective against molds and yeast. Sorbic acid, broad spectrum preservative. See, all these excipients each are having their own property. So each excipient in the tablet is also very important along with the API. Not only API can make the tablet, along with that, each of the excipient will also contribute their own. Finally, what I want to say is a tablet may look simple, but more than 15 ingredients can work together to make a tablet effective. So this is what I I want to discuss about the tablets, and this is all about tablet formulation. And by this, we can complete this session. Thank you for your patience to listen this video until the last. And if you find any value to your knowledge, just support by subscribing and comment. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next session with other tablet manufacturing process. Bye.